We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge in an HP Color LaserJet M281. So this printer, it takes a CF500 series. You have an A, which is your low yield, and you also have your X, which is your high yield. So it's pretty simple to change your toner. You just pull that front hatch down, and then there's this blue little lever here. Pull that and it'll just pull this whole thing out. Each one of these is its own color. And then right here it has the little color guides. Make sure when you're changing out your toner, you set the old ones to the side while you're unboxing your new one, or go ahead and throw it in the trash or recycle. We love to keep the landfills clean. But if you recycle those, or you just don't want to get it mixed up, you don't want to put an empty one in there. Okay, so just make sure you put it in the correct slot. Go ahead and shut that. Once you hear it snap into place, you know it's in there. Shut your front hatch and you're good to go. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.